Oh my god, what is this? It's crazy! Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a very special product to show you all. By looking at the video's title, you might have guessed that it is a headphone. Yes, that is correct, but this is not any ordinary headphones, guys. See, there are a lot of headphones that can produce bass. Like, what's special about them? But this particular model not just lets you listen to the bass, but it actually lets you physically experience the bass. Now, that is the kind of crazy I'm talking about. It's a brand new wireless headphones from SkullCandy. SkullCandy is like already popular for their lineup of headphones, and this one is a brand new addition to their Crusher lineup called the Crusher Evo, and they are wireless headphones, guys, that come with a special haptic sensory base that lets you actually physically feel it. So that is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. So let's get started. Alright people, so here are the brand new Crusher Evo wireless headphones from SkullCandy. It comes in this sort of box packaging and the packaging looks very premium. You got the Crusher Evo logo here. It says feel the bass tuned to you and even has a picture of the headphones on the front side. These are Bluetooth 5.0 wireless headphones that feature a special sensory bass driver on them and comes with personal sound tuning by AudioDo. They've got adjustable sensory bass, offers up to 40 hours of battery life and also have built-in tile find your headphones functionality. So those were some of its main highlights, and going around you've got the SkullCandy branding everywhere on the box packaging, and at the back side you've got some details regarding the SkullCandy app which you can download either from Play Store or even from Apple App Store. So that's it, that was our overview on the box. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and tear this outer cover. There we go. And by the way, I forgot to mention these headphones are available in two different colors, standard black and the grey color edition. We have the standard black edition right now. So let's get started with the unboxing. So as soon as you open the box, on the left side, you've actually got some details regarding the frequency tuning and that special AudioDo personal customized audio tune specially for your ears. You guys can just pause the video and have a look at it if you're interested. So let's unbox it and check out. Okay, so at the top side, you've got some info regarding like how to pair it with your phone and use it. And here you go. At the top side, we've got a brand new Crusher Evo wireless headphones from SkullCandy. Come packed like this in a case. Very nice looking carry case. Has this beautiful grey and black color finish and has the SkullCandy branding everywhere and some details like how to pack the headphones inside it at the top side. We'll just come back to this in a moment. Let's also see what else we got in the package. So you've got some paperwork inside the tray over here. Looks like a user manual and a warranty card. Just make sure to read them if you have time. Keeping that aside, you do have a mini accessory box which includes a 3.5mm to 3.5mm aux cable and a USB Type-C cable for charging. That's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out our brand new headphones. They come packed inside this carry pouch and looks like the pouch has a clip type mechanism to open it. Let me just take the headphones out and show you. So here you go guys, our brand new Crusher Evo from SkullCandy. Wow, what a beautiful looking headphones, right? Look very premium from my first look. This is a standard black edition and has a complete matte black finish all over the headphones. You got the SkullCandy logo on both the sides. The headphones have like a very minimalistic design with complete matte black finish and slight grey accents here and there. I like this matte black finishing because it doesn't attract that much fingerprints compared to glossy surfaces, and the build quality also looks very good. It's got soft touch material that looks like it's made of polycarbonate and feels very premium for the price. And talking about the ear cups, as you can see, the ear cups on it swivel complete 180 degrees, and not only that, you can easily fold the headset and throw it in that pouch and easily carry it anywhere. Now coming to the top side, here we have a different type of finish. We've got a small tag that says Crusher Evo, and above that you have a very different finishing. Sort of looks like fabric and I believe it's felt material. And yes, the headphones is also adjustable. You can easily extend the headphones like this so you can fit almost any head size. So what I'll do is I'll just give you guys a closer look and show you all the available controls and buttons on these headphones. On the right ear cup, you've got 3 buttons over here: volume up, media play pause and volume down. The quality of the buttons is also decent. And that's it, there is nothing else over here. Now going to the other side of the ear cup, the left ear cup, over here you've got a microphone, there's a 3.5mm aux port, a Type-C port for charging, and this is that special slider I was talking about. I've told you it has that special sensory bass on board, right? You can easily adjust the bass level using this slider. And above that you have a tiny power button in this beautiful orange accent that really complements the overall matte black finishing. Now let me tell you about the ear cups. The ear cups on it feel very soft and spongy. Looks like they're made of memory foam and are wrapped in an artificial leather kind of material. And not only that, you do have padding on the headband as well at the top side at the center. It's got a soft rubberized cushion that feels quite spongy and has a notch at the center. So that's it guys, that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality of these headphones. Now what I'll do is I'll just put them on and tell you about the comfort and the sound. The Crusher Evo are Bluetooth 5.0 wireless headphones that weigh around 312 grams. They're not the lightest I've seen, but feel quite comfortable for long time usage. The noise isolation is also pretty good. Now let me tell you about the sound. The Crusher Evo feature 40mm drivers on board and produce amazingly quality sound. Nothing less expected from SkullCandy. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocals felt warm and mellow with great clarity, and you could easily understand all the dialogues in the content. The high frequency response was also on point. It has a frequency response range from 20Hz to 20 kHz and was producing silky smooth treble with minimum harshness. And talking about the bass, now what should I say? The bass is the main highlight on this model. Mind-blowing bass I'd say. Remember I told you guys there's a special haptic bass driver apart from the regular 40mm drivers on it. This special driver sorta acts like a vibrator guys and lets you physically experience the bass via haptic technology. So you're not just listening to the bass on it, you're actually experiencing it physically. Now that is crazy, right? I'm telling you people, this is something you'll have to try it out in person to understand how cool it is. One more great thing I have to appreciate here is this sensory bass was not disturbing or interfering with the other frequencies. So that way you're getting bass ka bass and excellent mids and highs. Plus the intensity of this sensory bass can also be adjusted via that physical slider. See, this feature is pretty fun and interesting, but to be honest, I couldn't use it for longer periods of time, setting the intensity to 50% or above, as it was tiring my ears. For me, the sweet spot was around 5 to 10% and was quite happy with the results. The overall audio quality was excellent, and especially if you're a bass lover, this is the ultimate choice of headphones for you. The distortion is also minimum up to 95% volume level, and the audio output is also loud and sufficient. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life. The battery life was insane on this product. Like seriously, on an average at 70% volume level and the sensory base set to 20%, I was getting around like 37 to 38 hours of battery life. And not to forget, it also has rapid charge support, which offers 4 hours of continuous music playtime on a 10-minute charge. Well, that's it guys, that was my video on SkullCandy's new Crusher Evo wireless headphones. These are one of the best bass-oriented wireless headphones you can buy around this price range. Great build quality, excellent sound with haptic sensory bass, insanely good battery life, and even supports personalized audio tuning features. The only few things I felt were the ear cup size could have been a bit bigger for a more comfortable fit and has limited audio codec support. You don't have aptX or LDAC available. Also, wish the product had Alexa or Google Assistant integration. Rest everything else was fine. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed it and got to check out this product. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.